Good morning, everyone. I am finally shooting this video. It is long overdue, but I finally got the time to sit down and open my summer FabFitFun box. I'm so excited. It's literally been sitting in a box since May 15th or something like that. I had ordered it obviously right before we moved from Illinois. So when I ordered it, I sent it over to my mom's house because we didn't know when we were going to be in this house, and I just didn't want to send it and then not be here yet. So it got shipped to my mom's house, and then the week we moved in is actually when it came. And so it's just been sitting here in a box since literally the week we moved in. I'm very, very excited. Like I said, I think I picked these out in, I want to say April. I imagine if it came out in May, we picked these customizations in April. I have no idea what's in here. And I feel like I never remember what's in here because once I pick it, it's like a month later between the time that it comes. But I truly don't even remember. Like sometimes I'll remember like one item or things like that, but I could not even tell you one item. I do have a bunch of add-ons and summer edit sale items that I also purchased. The edit sales happen, I believe, right before the customizations for the box comes out. And they're just items that are like heavily discounted. So I bought a couple things that I really knew I wanted, and I totally forgot about these. As I was pulling them out of the box today, I was like, I need this. Oh my God, I can't believe it's just been sitting in a box for literally 2 to 3 months. So I'm trying to think, should I do that first? You know what, let's do that first. I'm just gonna move this off to the side a little. So I think the summer edit sale is great. Now there is a way to, fall into the trap of like, oh my God, everything's discounted. Let me just order a bunch of stuff. And I did that in the fall sale, I believe. It was either fall or spring. Maybe it was spring, because I think spring was the first time I did an edit sale. And I just never really ended up using some of the things. So for the summer sale, I was like, you only buy things you know you're gonna use. But these are the things that I bought for myself. So my favorite thing, which I'm so upset that I forgot this was in here, but now I'm really excited, is a towel body wrap. So these are like when you get out of the shower, it's a towel, but it wraps around your body, and it looks like this one has a button or Velcro. This one looks like a button. The one I normally use has Velcro. This one's just a plain white one. I'm very excited. This is a dress, I believe. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of what it's supposed to look like. I don't want to open it just right now, but it does look a little thick, so I don't think this will be like a summer dress, but I think, especially the color, I think this would be perfect for the fall or like winter with some boots and things. So I'm very excited for that. I got some matcha turmeric. I'm excited. Put these in my smoothies or just make a turmeric latte. Okay, this is floss. It's cocoa floss and it's strawberry. I got this. I'm trying to smell it. I can't really smell anything, so I don't know if it's just strawberry for the color or... I got this so that I can keep in my purse. If you guys see Bixby's tail come up there a little bit, she's just chilling. But you can only see her tail, so don't be afraid. Ignore that. This is something else that I want to keep in my purse. Tweezers, and it comes with a cute little pouch. I remember purchasing this. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, it's super cute. The pouch is super cute. The tweezer itself is so cute. Last thing that I got was a glass carafe, apparently. Don't remember getting this, and what's funny about that is when I pulled it out of the box today, I was like, oh no, I got one of these. I just purchased like a 3-pack glass carafe from Amazon on Prime Day yesterday. Oh, this is cute too. I think it's very similar to the one I got. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the like wooden top. Adorable, I love it. FabFitFun box. Let's go. I'm so excited. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here. Here we go. First of all, as always, their boxes are so freaking cute. I love this one. Let's go. It's my favorite part, just like flipping that over. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Pass this along to a friend. If somebody wants it, comment down below. I got a coupon for you. Okay. Now that I open this, I do see something that I remember is an add-on to my box and did not come with my box. So kind of like the edit sales, they happen before the box. You can also add on to your box some items, and I remember adding this on. So this is, I believe, like a beach mat or like a picnic blanket type thing. You know what? I don't know if I want to open it right now. I'm not going to open it all the way. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of what it is. But this is perfect because we found out like a couple of weeks ago that we have quite a few beaches within like 5 to 10 minutes from our house. So that's going to be perfect. I'm excited for that. Body scrubber. One body scrubber. Is this like one of those gloves? Oh, it's like one of these. Interesting. How do I like hold it? Or just hold it like this? Ooh. That's neat. I don't remember picking this. This could have been one of the like mystery items you can pick when you don't know what to pick. You can pick mystery. I don't know what this little guy is. Grace and Stella eye cream. Doesn't smell like anything, which I guess is probably a good thing. Or if you're putting this on like right before bed or like right when you wake up. The bottle's really cute. I'm gonna be trying that. I'm gonna put that right on my vanity. Some sort of a pouch. Oh, this is the watch. I remember picking this. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh, cute. I love the colors. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's a little, is that a, oh, okay, good. Phew, it's like it's a little scuffed, but it's a, like a pull tab peel thingy. But that's the watch. It's so freaking cute. I love the like rose gold and then this like grayish, greenish. Okay, I think that's it on like the small stuff. We have 3 things that are in boxes. I see something that says aromatherapy, sea salt and citrus. Oh, it's a candle. Love me a candle. When we moved, I tossed out some of my candles that were like, you know, that had like this much wax left in it. So I don't think I really have many candles here. I think I just have the one over there. So this is gonna be good. It smells fantastic. Sea salt and citrus. It is by Lasting Smiles. Oh, that's cute. We'll go with the smaller box and then the big box. So this, I remember this. Oh my God, I remember picking all these. This is a guac and salsa bowl. Oh my God, the spoons are so cute. Look at this. Look at these freaking spoons. They're so cute. Okay, let me see. Come on. Is it just one? Oh, so I could say it's just the one, but the big one is salsa and then the little small one is guac. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I love them, they're so cute. Obviously you could put other things in guac and salsa, but like it says guac and salsa on it. Kind of wish that it didn't, because then you could really use them for anything else, but I don't think anyone will mind. I do wish that there was a spot for the spoons, like a holder off to the side or something, but I absolutely love this. The spoons are adorable. These are so cute. Oh my God, this will be perfect. We're gonna be having a housewarming party coming up, and these are gonna be perfect. I'm so excited for that. All right, last thing. It's in the big box. Let's see. See some sort of wood canister. Oh, I think these are like little containers for like, I mean, whatever you want, like rice or things like that. Oh, this one's a little crooked. Oh my God, this one's like very crooked. Uh-oh. Is that a crooked one? I can't open it. I don't know if it like got crooked just because it's been sitting in here for a while. Maybe like the sun or something. I don't know. Wait, this one's crooked too. Question mark? And excuse me, what is happening here? Oh, okay, I got that one out. I mean, they're super cute. Like I said with the other thing, I love the wooden tops. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in this because they're kind of small. Let me see if they say like what they recommend putting. No, nothing really. I'm gonna have to look up what I could put in that. I mean, they're pretty small, so I'm not really sure what would go well with these, but they're super cute. Okay, and that was it. That was actually super cute. I feel like I remember when I was picking the box, I was purposely choosing things that were more like household items because I knew we were just gonna move into our house and we threw away quite a few things. So, and I just knew that we were gonna need some things. So I think that's why I kind of went more with like homey stuff. So like the bowls, these containers, the glass carafe, candle, and yeah, because everything else is just the watch, the eye cream, and the body scrubber. Yeah, that's it. So it was definitely more of like a home thing. And then of course adding the picnic blanket. Yeah, that was really cute. I'm super excited. I really wanted to get this video out before like the middle of July, which is right where we're at right now. And the reason why is because the fall customization starts the last week of July, first week of August, meaning that the fall boxes are going to be out by the end of August or early September. And I was like, I don't get that video out before we even do our customization for the fall box. That's not going to be good. I'm really glad I did this because this is going to be perfect for our housewarming party. Make some drinks in this, chips and salsa, things like that. I'm so excited. I'm interested to see how this dress fits. I don't remember what it's like, but I'm excited. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that if you want a sample box, like a starter box, I think I have 2 codes left. I already used one, and I think you get 3 per like season. I already gave one away to somebody, so I think I have 2 more codes for starter boxes. I think the way the starter boxes work is you get like a small version of the summer box, and I don't think you get to pick anything. They pick the items, and it's gonna be free. You just pay like the shipping, which is normally like $5. At the end of the time period, you get to decide if you want to continue and move on to a seasonal box, which would now be the fall box, or if you just want to cancel and just stick with your starter box. So if anybody wants one of those, I think I have 2 left, so let me know. And then I do have this code here that came in the box. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'm super excited to go wash these things and use them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Share this with anybody that's been thinking about getting a FabFitFun box. That would really help me out. I would really appreciate that. But that's gonna do it for today. I will see you guys for the fall box. Maybe, hopefully on time and not like 3 months later.